Imagine a classroom where every student is engaged, collaborating and understanding clearly. The secret? The right projector. It's not just a tool, it's the foundation of modern education, enhancing every learning experience. A 100-inch display ensures every student sees clearly from front to back. Proper brightness keeps lessons vibrant even in daylight. Laser technology means fewer disruptions and lower costs, making it a smart choice for schools. Interactive projection turns passive lessons into collaborative learning experiences. It fosters engagement and participation, transforming the classroom into a dynamic environment where students thrive and learn together. The right projector supports STEM demonstrations and media-rich learning. It's essential for assemblies, presentations and staff training. More than just a screen, it's a versatile learning platform that enhances educational experiences. Leading brands like Epson and Sony offer reliability and performance, but choosing the right specifications, brightness, room size and connectivity makes all the difference. Expertise ensures the perfect fit for your school's needs. At Niche Office Solutions, we assess your classroom needs to recommend the perfect projector. We consider lumen output and long-term costs, ensuring seamless installation and support. It's not just an expense, it's an investment in better learning. By choosing the right projector, you enhance visibility and engagement, creating brighter classrooms. Remember, it's not just about installing a projector, it's about installing the right one for your school's success. Invest in the future of learning today. To find our projector range, along with many other products, visit our website or contact us today.